All right, today we're going to bring some wireless headsets. They include the manual and they include the actual power connection. It's a type C to type A. They give you the jack in case you run out of batteries. It's a 3.5 connection to connect to your computer or to your devices. Now, the actual module itself is very flexible. If you guys notice, they come bended, as you can see, very folded in. So you could, for traveling purposes, it will fit right into your bag. Now, let's open them up and see what I'm talking about. Now, the actual module itself, the actual device, very soft cushioning on the sides and on the top, if you guys can see that. Now, one thing I like about it, they have right, they have left. They're very flexible, easy, lightweight. They come various colors. Now, remote controls are very simple. The actual button settings are very simple. You got your plus, you got your play and pause, and then you got your minus. You can answer phone calls with this. You could two-way, you could actually forward the next song and so forth. Now, charging wise is type C. Connecting to it, in case you drop the battery or the battery dies or you want to connect directly, you can connect with the cable 2.5 connection in there. Very flexible, beautiful lining that they have. You guys can see the flexibility on this. Now, you can extract, detract. Very comfortable looking. Let's try them out.